Akiaria ari Kitengela igongona-inĩ rĩa kuhe Profesa Kibutha Kibwana matamu ma utongoria wa International Leadership University ruhonge rwa Gitengera, Minister wa Githomo Julius Ogamba ni atetetie mutugo wa ateti amwe, akiuga maundu maria marauga muingi-ini ni marahingĩca arutwo na gwata ciana.
We are being told every other day by leaders to hate each other, to hate our country, to hate the next person. We don't see anything good in a person who perhaps does not come from your community. That is not what you taught us. That is not what this country is about.
Ogamba ni orotete mutongoria wa kiama kia DCP Rigathi Gachagua akiuga ni umwe ukoretwo akihunjia uteti wa mugayukano wa kinduriri.
The bishop indicated that he spread out. He has people in Maringo, he has people in Ukambani, he speaks Kisii, he does all these things. Most of us are in that category. So when you tell us, don't touch this or the other, you shock us, because already we have touched.
Miario ya Ogamba igikindirwo ni atongoria a dini aria morĩtie ateti maunire kanua ithigi kuona miario imwe mararekereria matekumaka ona mbere ya ciana.
And I address the politicians who are here. Maneno mnachechesa, maneno mnatupatupa, mnataka tuende wapi? I stand here, my name is Masinda. My wife is called Modhoni. So unaniambia nisiguse mlima. Niligusa mlima 50 years ago.
Na waciari marathingatwo kwaraniria na ciana ciao guthingata mitugo mirungiriru makiria riri mehaririria magucoka cukuru mambiriirie. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Gĩtuhũkĩra wa Muigana.